Hello everyone. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a smoothie recipe. This particular smoothie is very sweet, it's super hydrating, it's nourishing, it aids digestion, it contains fiber that promotes healthy digestive tract, it's beneficial to your skin and hair, it makes you look younger, it makes you glow, it contains vitamin C, it aids weight loss, it helps you burn tummy fat. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this video. And please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. Let's get right into the video. So the first ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe, this smoothie recipes, are watermelon. Watermelon contains 92% of water. It's refreshing and packed with nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, minerals. The antioxidant helps to prevent cancer. It contains amino acid, which are basic building blocks for protein, and protein is used in virtually every vital function in the body. It contains lycopene, which has been linked to heart health and bone health. It aids digestion because it contains fiber, which encourages a healthy digestive tract. It's highly beneficial for the skin and the hair. It aids weight loss and is super hydrating. So this is the first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe. The second ingredient we'll be needing for this recipe is pineapple. Pineapple are loaded with nutrients. It's rich in vitamin C. It supports the immune system. It contains cancer-fighting properties. It enhances weight loss. It burns tummy fat. It contains a major enzyme called bromelain. And this bromelain, the bromelain is usually found in this hard part. This center part of the pineapple is very beneficial. The bromelain improves the digestive system and it helps flush out toxins. So eating pineapple with this center part helps to flush out the system. It cleanses you from inside out. It promotes healthy bone. So for this recipe, we'll just be using half of the pineapple. So we're going to slice it into little sizes so it will be easier to blend. So third ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber and healthy nutrients. It aids weight loss. It burns fat and flushes out toxins from the body. It improves your digestive health. So lemons are really beneficial for weight loss. If you really want to lose weight, then you have to add lemon to your smoothies. So we're just going to peel out the back of the lemons, and so we're going to take this out. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is ginger. We're using half an inch of ginger, and ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties. It helps in weight loss. It helps to lower blood sugar and improve heart health, thereby reducing heart-related disease. It aids digestion, it also prevents indigestion, and it helps to speed up your metabolism. So if you really want to detox, you want complete detox, and you want to get rid of harmful toxins and waste out of your body, then you need to include ginger into your diet. It also helps to lower cholesterol level. So I'm not going to peel off the back because even the back of the ginger contains healing properties. So I'm just going to slice it into little quantities. So it's time to blend now. So we're going to add our watermelon. We'll add our pineapple. We'll add our lemon, 1 lemon, and our ginger. So after blending it into a very smooth consistency, it it's time to drink, and you have to pour it into a cup. Let's test this. This smoothie is really sweet. This is the type of smoothie you should take in place of carbonated drinks to help you feel full. It's nourishing, and you know all the necessary vitamins you get from this smoothie. You should give it a try, and please ensure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy, glowing, and fit. Bye.